You may have experienced symptoms of the flu. You might just want to know if you have it, but don't want to go to a doctor's office necessarily for a test.
And TCP 11's Erica Ferrando tells us some patients in Lone Oak have found another option that avoids the doctor's office altogether. Erica?
If you do have the flu, chances are your doctor prescribes you Tamiflu and you'll go to your pharmacist to pick it up. But now some pharmacies are becoming a one-stop shop to confirm and treat the flu.
Inside
Thank you, Cammy.
Lackey Drugstore in Lone Oak, pharmacist Brandon Aker is not just filling prescriptions.
It's been very busy.
He's also testing for the flu.
You can come in without an appointment.
Just like you'd get tested at a physician's office or an urgent care.
You would swab the interior of the nostril, and at that point you would put it into basically a small test tube dropper.
After putting the test in this reader, it only takes about 10 seconds to tell you if you have type A or type B of the flu.
Whether it's negative or positive.
And this season he's tested more than 120 people.
Less than 10% actually result in positive.
Insurance won't pay for it, but for $30, patients can get a quick answer.
Less than 10 minutes.
By stopping by the pharmacy for the test. If it's positive, you can get treated right there.
I will then contact that provider and get a oral prescription over the phone for a recommendation for Tamiflu or an appropriate antibiotic.
It's called point-of-care testing.
It's fairly new.
Pharmacists can get certified to conduct flu and other tests like strep.
We have lots of people who just want to know, do I have the flu? I was around a family member. Please, can you just give me a quick answer?
While it's not a common practice by pharmacists,
I have several calls today asking, how do we do this? We're interested in providing this.
Aker says more pharmacists are getting certified as they learn about this option.
As pharmacists, we are completely trained to help in point-of-care testing and really should advocate to be out from behind the counter.
This is still very uncommon, so even in Little Rock, there are not any pharmacists listed who can test for the flu yet, but there are some who are in the process of getting certified. To find a pharmacist who will, you can head to thv11.com where we've provided a link.